All right, practice problem 3. We are rotating 180 degrees, always about the origin. Sorry for the extra period. First, I'm going to label my quadrants. This is just good practice so you don't make silly mistakes. I did that wrong, huh? That's a negative x and a positive y. Sorry about that. Let me just erase it because it looks bad. Everything's negative here. And negative y. All right. First thing I need to do is get my ordered pairs. So, get this out the way. T is at -6, -2. U is at -5, -8. And V is at -7, -8. Switch colors. When I rotate 180 degrees, everything is just becoming its opposite. So these are not positive. Nothing switches, it just becomes positive. So it should be up in quadrant 1. So 6, 2 is T prime. 5, 8 is U prime. And 7, 8 is V prime. So it should be upside down now. That's how I'll know I've done the full half circle turn. And it looks like, yes, I've done this correctly. There you go.